Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Jalasar Classes. Today I am going to explain about Groovy Script, a most useful Groovy script in SAP CPI, that is message logging of the Groovy script. So before start, I would request you to please like and subscribe my channel so that I should come up with new videos and should should come up with the new videos for you guys. Also, you can comment on if you want video to be made on some specific topic. Please comment on my channel so that I can come up with the new videos. Today I am going to explain one of the most useful Groovy script, which is message logging. As you know, by default you cannot log until you means on your trace in SAP CPI. You cannot log the messages. But trace also means goes down in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So here I am going to explain this Groovy script, and I will also paste this Groovy code in my message where anybody can take this Groovy script and can log the messages in your iFlow. So here, let's start. You can see here the first line: import com sap.gateway.ip core custom dev util messages and Java user has maps. So these two classes which have been imported in the Groovy script, uh, these are by default it comes, don't have to do anything. And as I already explained in my last video, this line of the code is also a default line. Without this, you cannot write any code there. Now, here I have already explained, get the message body of the string. So here in this, you taken that message as an input. Now you define what a message dot get body is whatever came here in the message. It you have not now taken it in the body, um, in the body variable. Now you have created one more. Now get the message to logged object. So in the log object, by this line you have written the message in the log object. Here whatever message is received, with this line whatever message is received, it converts that message into the string. Now if you see that this piece of code left, that message log message dot get object message log. So this is actually this you are creating one instance of message log class, or you can you are creating an which is actually useful for the logging. Now here you can see that check the message log is available. So if you are seeing that message log is available, is not null, then add payload to an as an attachment to the message log, and the parameter of the attachments are name, content, content type. So here add a message log dot add attachment as a string, payload log body and test, and then as I told you that you have to return. So this is very useful Groovy script. Here I am explaining some use cases, like if you want to log input and output message. So once the at the start of, you have to place the same script at two places, one at the start of your iFlow and another at the end of your iFlow, and in between as well. Say if you want before message mapping, so you can add there, and after we want to see what is after what is message after mapping. So there you can also, so this message, this Groovy script will also be helpful for logging the message for your debugging purpose if you use it wisely. And another one more thing I want to add, that sometimes it happens that you don't need even in the production you don't need message log to be by either by default. So for that, what you have to do, you have to create this entire code under one variable, message log on or off, and you can, with the help of that global variable you are using, you can actually set the from the parameters itself as an externalized parameter to log this once. Yeah, if that parameter is on, then only this code will run, or if that parameter is not on, it will not run that and will not log the message. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel. I request you.